If you were to conduct an interface inventory of all the fonts, colors, buttons, and styles on a website, it's not uncommon to find 50 different shades of gray, 70 different variations of a typeface, and 20 different button styles. This tends to be a result of there not being a UI designer on the team. Designers and developers may pick things that may look right. For instance, this yellow looks like this yellow. It's one thing if one version is meant to signal a state change. It's another if someone tried to replicate a color but didn't quite get it right. Initially, it may fit the brand, but over time it spirals and becomes a big mess. A lot of time we know we're working with common elements, but they're not particularly organized. While we can still make cool stuff with them, it's not necessarily the most efficient or productive way of doing things. What style guides and pattern libraries do is take the time to organize the different parts that make up a project, including typography, color, and interactive elements. Design systems take staying organized a step further, serving as a bridge with front-end developers by including code for the components. Design systems are particularly useful for companies that scale. They're a way to manage all the different pieces. As a centralized hub, design systems help align teams to lead to greater speed, efficiency, and consistency of work. They include big picture goals and vision through design principles and the nuances to achieve them. Components are units of design that can be used over and over. When developing these systems, you want to think about how components can be adapted for different contexts and uses. The goal is to create flexible systems. Design systems are also excellent at presenting contextual guidelines. You not only know what something looks like, but when and how to use it. Not only is the typeface defined, but also the sizes, style, as well as color. When it comes to components like buttons, the different states are clearly presented. Design systems benefit everyone working on the project, with all team members being able to contribute their expertise. Rather than wasting time having to design the same component over and over, you can now spend your time on working on high-level ideas. Once a design system is in place, it makes making future changes much easier, as the new treatment can be applied across the platform. Tech is a world that moves fast, and design systems are a tool to help foster that while producing high quality and more consistent work. Interestingly enough, many companies share their design systems publicly. Not only are they a great way to better understand how a company works, they also can serve as a recruitment tool to attract talent.